It's wonderful to me. Deep devotional sentiment. Actually, what is we are here for preaching consciousness. Preaching Krishna consciousness means how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to spread Krishna consciousness. Shikhaya Sharanagati Bhagavate Praha. Here, Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori Shaparshot Shiyadham Shabot Avatari. অত্যন্ত দুর্লভ প্রেম করিবারে দান শিখায় শরণাগতি ভক্তের প্রাণ Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here for distributing Krishna consciousness, but for giving Krishna consciousness we need some pot where we should accept that. Like if you are donating someone he has to carry some pots. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu here for distributing Krishna Prem, what is the pot to carry? That is surrender. With the surrender mood we can carry that thing. Now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is so merciful, he is giving the pot also. He, before giving Krishna Prem, he is teaching how to surrender. Here we are preaching Krishna consciousness, youth preaching. So, preaching Krishna consciousness means we want to give Krishna Prem. So that means before giving Krishna Prem, we should give them pot also. How to become surrender. But we know that, yes, that is required. That is why we become counselor. Devotee should listen to me. But at the same time, we should not forget that I also developed that surrender mood because I also need. Sometimes for preaching, we sometimes forget that my counsel should become more surrendered to me. But we should think in the same way, I should become more surrendered. Because if I don't have 1 million rupees, how I can distribute someone? So normally what happens during preaching, we demand surrender, but we forget that we have to surrender also. So that is actually most important thing. This preaching, the way IIYC started, actually Prabhupada's actually deep-rooted desire was there. Prabhupada wrote, সবাই মিলিয়া বসি যদি চিন্তা করে তবেই সুচারু হয় সেসব প্রচার. Prabhupada wanted that, yes, this type of forum is required. সবাই মিলিয়া বসি যদি চিন্তা করে, sit down together and think about how to spread Krishna consciousness throughout the world. But what happens? We are preaching, but at the same time, the non-devotional preaching also increasing. The Prabhupada is telling, কলির মিশন হইল সারা পৃথিবী জুড়ে মহাপ্রভুর সার কথা খাঁচার ভিতর. Prabhupada at the time he saw that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teaching is the best. But here Prabhupada said Kolir mission, he attacking some other mission. Like we can see there's so many non-devotional organizations, they are flourishing like anything. But why Krishna consciousness should not spread like that? But by getting 150 council, I can think, oh, I am a big preacher. Prabhupada mentioned, সি লোকলজ্জা নেই আমাদের ভাই ব্যবসাদারি চালি করে শিষ্যের ভাই. We may think, oh, I have 100 councili, 200 councili. No, Krishna consciousness should spread throughout the world. Now that type of preaching, we cannot proceed further. Prabhupada mentioned, Mullar Daur, Tai Masjid Pajant. Sometimes before, we can see, before namaz, mullahs are running. But he's running. Maybe he'll go so far. No, he can go up to mosque. After that, he cannot go. So this type of preaching, if we don't develop our surrender, mullah daurtai masjid pajant, they can run up to mosque. Beyond that, they cannot go. So our preaching, if we don't develop our surrender mode, if we only demand surrender from our counsels, but if we don't think about, are we developing our surrender? If we don't think in such a way, then we cannot proceed so much. That is why Prabhupada said, Eshob prachar karya aji karo anta. Stop all this type of nonsense preaching. Mollar daurtai masjid pajyanto eshob prachar karya aji karo anta. So Prabhupada has demanded that yes, we should spread Krishna consciousness. We should increase our devotion also. Sometimes we see hawk, chill, Girdo is flying in the high sky, but his vision in the earth. He's in the high, but he's looking down. In the same way, when we're progressing, we are calculating how many followers I have. Oh, last year I have 50 followers. This year I have 100 followers. Maybe this way, if I, in case maybe after 5 years, I should have 500 followers. But on the other hand, our calculation should be in opposite way. Before coming Krishna consciousness, I saw, oh, Krishna is God. Then gradually developed, no, there are some pure devotees. Oh, Prabhupada is pure devotee. Then again you say, no, not only Prabhupada, he has so many followers, they are also pure devotees. Then amongst one of them accept as Guru. Then after some time you say, yes, not only my spiritual master, so many devotees are exalted devotees. Then we say, yes, actually everybody is pure devotee except myself. Our calculation should be in such a way. This way we should increase our surrender. But unfortunately, due to influence of Maya, sometimes we forget all these things. We have great responsibility for spreading Krishna consciousness. We have seen after Chaitanya Mahaprabhu departed from this world, his mission stopped. His teachings was practically lost. Why? There is no such this type of systematic preaching. There is no organization. But that same thing may happen again. Prabhupada has again started that mission, but the same thing has happened due to our mistake. But now it is everybody's responsibility not to make it happen. If we Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission again lost, then we all are responsible. Especially those who are came in Krishna consciousness and accepted preaching activity, has accepted managerial role, they are more responsible. So it is a great responsibility, not only stopping this movement, it is our responsibility to take it further. Prabhupada's desire was, আসমুদ্র মেদিনী পর ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ভেদিনী সকলে মিলিয়া করো প্রচার বাহিনী। Prabhupada wanted, yes, make a team. সকলে মিলিয়া করো প্রচার বাহিনী, a big team. Combine everyone. So now today we saw this Sundar Gopal Prabhu and Rabindra Chaitanya Prabhu explained nicely. Not only IIOIC, we have to develop different divisions. Yes, সকলে মিলিয়া করো প্রচার বাহিনী. And where they will preach? আসমুদ্র মেদিনী পর ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ভেদিনী. Now, yeah, also Rabindra Chaitanya Prabhu also mentioned this national team. It will go far beyond in international. But Srila Prabhupada's desire, that team should so powerful. They only not preach in land. They will preach to the ocean also, to the aquatics also. Asamudra Medini for Brahmanda Vedini. Prabhupada's desire to preach everybody. And not only that, that team Brahmanda Vedini, this IIOIC team, not only preach India, not only preach in this world, they should go to sun planet, moon planet. Not only that, Prabhupada's desire, Brahmanda Vedini, that preaching activity should go beyond this universe. That is our desire. It is not, oh, I'm a youth preaching in charge of my temple. No. It already has started to expand. Not I am the in charge of this my local temple and the part of the IIOIC. Then we should be part of the world preaching movement. And Prabhupada's final desire, Brahmanda Vedini, Asamudra Medini for Brahmanda Vedini, this team should go beyond this universe. Janivas Prabhu mentioned that when Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur was walking in the state, the road in front of the Mayapur, that is called Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Road. When he was walking at night there, he looked at this moon. Then Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur mentioned, yes, there is some problem in moon planet. I have to go there. So our previous acharyas like that. So that is Prabhupada's desire. Our preaching movement should go beyond this universe. একলা ঈশ্বর হয়ে যদি ধন বাড়ে জরের প্রতিষ্ঠা সেই সাধু তাহা ছাড়. Yes, in my preaching, I may get some success, some result. People may recognize, oh, he's a powerful preacher. He made hundreds and 200, 500 devotees. Yes, একলা ঈশ্বরে যদি ধন বাড়ে, what will happen? People will give glorification and pratishtha, but that is not the desire of the devotee. That type of preaching actually Rajdhani preaching, Rajdhani train. But cargo train, that engine may be going slow, but their power is more heavy. So like a Rajdhani train, we can proceed sometime, but that engine is not so powerful. So people may give credit to Rajdhani Express, not to the engine of the cargo train. But actually, most powerful train engine actually Malgari. So in alone, when we preach, yeah, we can get some sorts of recognition, but it will not last long. And devotee also does not want that type of recognition. একলা ঈশ্বর হয়ে যদি ধন বাড়ে জরের প্রতিষ্ঠা সেই সাধু তাহা ছাড়া. Devotee always fearful to take that type of credit. That is why we should make a team to spread Krishna consciousness. We should be fearful to get any type of credit. Then Prabhupada, at end of his glorification of his spiritual master, Vyaspuja offering, he wrote, স্বতন্ত্রতা যার যত হোক জলাঞ্জলি দিনে অভয় দেই আজি সে অঞ্জলি. Prabhupada is offering to his spiritual master. oh my spiritual master, give me power and strength so that I should not have any type of independent mentality. Swatantrata. Swatantra, tantra means the Swatantra, Paratantra, tantra rules and regulations. Swatantra, oh, it is my way is the highway. Everybody should follow me. That type of mentality should give up. Swatantrata jar jata hok jalanjali. Jalanjali means jal anjali. If we give something in the Ganges, anjali means with hand. If we give with hand something in the Ganges water, we never expect that it will come back in my hand. So Jalanjali means without any type of a desire to get any recognition. So Srila Prabhupada's prayer to his spiritual master, oh my spiritual master, give me enough strength so that we all, including he actually telling it to his godbrother, including we all, should give up our all selfish desire, independent mentality. At least I, Dino Abhay, I am most humble and wretched and fallen, Abhay Charan. I want to offer that thing unto your lotus feet. So that is our founder Acharya Srila Prabhupada's desire. So in youth preaching, this IIYC, this wonderful innovation, Srila Prabhupada is very happy with this. Prabhupada wanted that. So now DO is progressing this 5th year. DO is contributing by seeing the talent and devotion of our devotees. We are very hopeful. Srila Prabhupada is very happy that we'll be able to see in our lifetime that the whole world has become Krishna conscious. So I'm not qualified to speak in this platform, but devotee has ordered me. But if I don't follow the instruction of the devotee, that is Vaishnava Aparadh. That is why I am humble offering. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Maharaj. Really, hearing these payar, these Bengali payar from your mouth, wow, they are so sweet and they are so spontaneously, so naturally coming out of your lotus mouth, Maharaj. That was really incredible. Thank you very much for deepening us our devotional sentiments. Thank you very, very much, Maharaj, for joining us. And you are more than qualified. It's your humility that you say so. And that's the hallmark of pure devotee, actually. Thank you, Maharaj, for joining us and giving us such a beautiful presentation and how we can deepen our devotional sentiments. Thank you very very much, Maharaj.